What is the one word for the quality of having the means or skills to do something? The correct answer is ability. What is the one word for enter uninvited? The correct answer is intrude. What is the one word for express the need or desire for, ask for? The correct answer is request. What is the one word for unusually great in size or amount or extent or scope? The correct answer is vast. What is the one word for something visible that represents something invisible? The correct answer is symbol. What is the one word for marked by simplicity, having a humble opinion of yourself? The correct answer is modest. What is the one word for regard as untrustworthy? The correct answer is suspect. What is the one word for burn slightly and superficially so as to affect color? The correct answer is scorch. What is the one word for a natural or artificial enclosed space? The correct answer is chamber. What is the one word for put an end to a state or an activity? The correct answer is cease. What is the one word for something that interests you because it is important? The correct answer is concern. What is the one word for a set of three similar things considered as a unit? The correct answer is trio. What is the one word for marked by tenacious unwillingness to yield? The correct answer is obstinate. What is the one word for bring to mind? The correct answer is recall. What is the one word for strike with disgust or revulsion? The correct answer is appall. What is the one word for the quality of having a superior or more favorable position? The correct answer is advantage. What is the one word for make a hole, especially with a pointed power or hand tool? The correct answer is bore. What is the one word for perform in order to get a role? The correct answer is audition. What is the one word for marked by tender, romantic, or nostalgic emotion? The correct answer is sentimental. What is the one word for a state of extreme happiness? The correct answer is bliss.